Unexplained moving light. During New Year's celebrations in Copacabana, Rio de Janeiro, on January 1st, 2026, a person filming the fireworks captured something unexpected in the sky. While reviewing the footage, a small point of light can be seen crossing the sky above the fireworks display. The object appears briefly, moving across the frame during the height of the celebration. At the time of filming, it went largely unnoticed, only becoming apparent afterward when the video was replayed more carefully. The light appears as a small bright dot moving at a steady pace across the dark sky. It does not blink like a typical aircraft light, nor does it follow the curved or erratic paths often seen with fireworks debris. The motion is linear and smooth, crossing the field of view in a short span of time. Because Copacabana hosted an organized drone show that night, one immediate explanation raised was that the object could be part of that display. However, some viewers noted that the speed of the object seems faster than most consumer or show drones, especially considering the distance it appears to cover in just a few frames. There is no visible trail, spark, or explosion associated with it, and it does not resemble a fireworks shell ascending or bursting. No sound linked to the object is audible in the clip, though the surrounding noise from fireworks in the crowd would likely mask anything subtle. The footage is brief and zoomed out, which makes precise size, altitude, and distance difficult to determine. Without additional angles or official data, the object remains unidentified. It could be a drone operating at a higher speed or altitude than expected, a distant aircraft briefly catching light, or even a small piece of debris reflecting illumination from the fireworks below. At the same time, the lack of blinking navigation lights and the apparent speed raise questions for some viewers. With no follow-up statements from organizers or authorities, and only a single clip available, there isn't enough information to reach a clear conclusion. For now, it remains an unusual moment caught incidentally during a major public event, leaving room for multiple explanations depending on perspective and interpretation. Unusual object above construction site. In 2005, a home video recorded in Colombia, South America captured an unusual object in the sky above a construction site. The footage shows a metallic-looking object at a noticeable distance, suspended against a clear blue sky. According to the person filming, the object did not travel across the sky like an aircraft. Instead, it appeared to remain in roughly the same position for an extended period, drawing attention because of its stillness.
Pero miren que estoy dando la gira.
¿Sí se da?
Está suspendida. Hay que echarle la carretera y a ver.
Ay, hueputa.
¿Esa no tiene zoom, la cámara?
Sí, pero no alcanza a verla.
As the recording continues, the object can be seen rotating slowly while hovering. Its shape appears oval or disc-like, with reflective highlights that change as it turns, suggesting a solid surface catching sunlight from different angles.
¿Qué será esa vaina?
Novato. ¿Tiene copia?
There are no visible wings, rotors, cables, or exhaust trails. The motion is subtle. Rather than moving forward, backward, or upward, the object seems to tumble or rotate in place, drifting only slightly relative to the background. The camera zooms in and out at times, but even when stabilized, the object's behavior remains consistent. Steady hovering combined with slow rotation. No sound is reported, and no other aircraft or birds are visible near it during the clip. The lack of obvious propulsion or directional travel also makes it difficult to classify as a conventional aircraft or drone, especially for the time period. Without additional footage, radar data, or witness reports, the object remains unidentified. What stands out most is not its speed or maneuvering, but its steady hover and slow rotation, which do not immediately match common airborne objects. As with many older recordings, the video leaves open questions rather than clear answers, and its true nature is still open to interpretation. Explosion in the sky. On January 27, 2021, at around 5:30 p.m., a person in Bahrain was attempting to photograph the moon when an unexpected point of light appeared in the frame. At first, it looked like a small stationary dot in the sky. Because it did not resemble the moon or any nearby star, the person began recording video instead of taking still photos. According to the witness, the object remained steady in one position for close to a minute, without noticeable movement or flickering. As the recording continued, the dot appeared to be a brief burst or explosion. After this moment, the object began moving horizontally across the sky. While moving, it separated into two distinct points of light that traveled together for a short distance. The witness stated that the video was not edited, sped up, or altered in any way. No sound was reported during the event, and there were no visible aircraft lights, blinking patterns, or trails typically associated with planes or drones. The object's behavior, remaining still for an extended period, then abruptly changing and splitting, stood out as unusual to the person recording. Some viewers suggest the event could be related to space debris, a satellite flare, or a balloon popping. Others note that the sudden stationary phase followed by a rapid change is difficult to explain with common aircraft behavior. Without additional data such as radar confirmation or multiple camera angles, the exact cause remains unclear. The footage continues to circulate because of the sequence of events: a stationary light, a sudden burst, and a clean split into two moving objects, all captured unintentionally while filming the sky. White and yellow point. On January 3, 2026, at around 9:30 p.m., a strange light was observed over the ocean near Patong Beach in Phuket, Thailand. The person filming was looking out toward the horizon when a bright point of light appeared low in the sky. Over the next 20 to 30 minutes, similar light continued to appear. According to the witness, in total, about 6 identical lights were seen during the observation period, but only one was captured in the video. Each appeared as a single bright white or slightly yellowish point. They moved smoothly from left to right at a steady speed and stayed close to the horizon. None of the lights blinked or showed the navigation patterns typically associated with aircraft. According to the witness, no matching objects appeared on Flight Radar 24 at the time. The light did not hover or change direction. Instead, it followed a consistent trajectory before gradually fading from view, either becoming too dim to see or disappearing into haze or thin cloud cover. The motion was described as too smooth and fast to resemble boats, and the behavior did not match common consumer drones. While the sighting may seem unusual at first, there are possible conventional explanations. Satellite passes, including certain Starlink configurations, can appear as bright, steady lights moving across the sky, especially near the horizon. Depending on timing, angle, and atmospheric conditions, these objects may not look like a classic train and can appear one at a time. At this latitude and time of night, satellites reflecting sunlight are a strong possibility, though further confirmation from satellite tracking data would be needed to be certain. Reflective high-altitude object. On December 29, 2025, around 7:00 p.m. local time, an unusual object was photographed in the sky over Montijo, a town about 35 kilometers from Lisbon, Portugal. The witness was outdoors when something caught their attention high in the sky. At first, it didn't stand out clearly to the naked eye, but it appeared large and distant. Curious, the person used their phone's zoom to take photos, which revealed a clearer view of the object's shape. According to the witness, the object had a distinct form that didn't resemble a typical airplane or helicopter. It appeared metallic and reflective, with sunlight glinting off its surface, giving it an aluminum-like shine. The reflection was strong enough to make the object noticeable in the photographs, even though it was difficult to see without zooming in. The witness stated that the object seemed stationary or moving very slowly, and was positioned far higher than any nearby aircraft usually appears. They also noted that, based on perspective and scale, it looked larger than a conventional airplane at that distance. The photos were later shared with local news outlets, where the unusual shape and reflective surface became the main points of discussion. No obvious wings, contrails, or blinking navigation lights were visible in the images. Several possibilities have been suggested, including a high-altitude balloon, a reflective aircraft component, or a satellite briefly catching sunlight at the right angle. However, the reported size, shape, and lack of typical aircraft features make it difficult to identify with certainty. Without additional footage or radar data, the object remains unidentified. The sighting continues to raise questions about what was actually photographed over Montijo that evening and whether others in the area may have observed the same thing. Unexplained luminous object. On December 25, 2025, at approximately 10:33 p.m., a brief and unusual object was captured on camera in Kingsville, Maryland, facing north. The person recording did not report seeing anything unusual beforehand. According to the witness, the object appeared suddenly in the frame and crossed the camera's view very quickly, disappearing just as abruptly as it arrived. There was no accompanying sound, and the event lasted only a moment.
All right, out here again, you know the deal. Whew, it's cold. Kingsville, Maryland, facing north. I see a good one tonight. Oh, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
The footage shows a small bright object moving across a dark sky filled with faint stars. The object appears elongated with a slight streaking effect, suggesting rapid motion relative to the camera. It does not show the blinking navigation lights commonly associated with aircraft, nor does it follow the slower, steady path typical of satellites. The movement seems directional and controlled, but the short duration makes it difficult to judge altitude or distance. There are several possible explanations. It could be a fast-moving meteor captured at an angle that made it appear horizontal rather than downward. It could also be a piece of space debris re-entering the atmosphere, briefly illuminated as it burned up. Less likely but still possible explanations include a distant aircraft caught at an unusual angle or a camera-related artifact caused by motion or exposure settings. Without additional footage or corroborating witnesses, the object remains unidentified. The question is simple: was this a natural event, a human-made object, or something else passing through the night sky unnoticed. Unidentified Martian object. Just before I move to the next point, if you are new here and enjoy mysterious, unexplained UFO sightings, then do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss a video. NASA's Perseverance rover captured images showing a small dark object moving across the Martian sky during routine surface observations. The images come from two different sols, November 26, 2025, Sol 1695, and November 28, 2025, Sol 1697. In both instances, the object appears above the horizon and seems to change position between frames, suggesting motion rather than a fixed surface feature. The footage quickly drew attention because similar-looking objects were identified on two separate days. According to the available data, the rover was not intentionally tracking the object. The images were taken as part of standard imaging sequences used to monitor the environment and terrain. In the November 26 sequence, a dark, elongated shape appears in the sky for a short duration before disappearing. 2 days later, a comparable object is visible again, though under slightly different lighting and atmospheric conditions. Because Mars has a thin atmosphere, dust, debris, and small particles can sometimes appear suspended or briefly airborne, especially when wind activity is present. Another possibility is that the object could be a small piece of debris close to the camera lens, creating the illusion of distance and scale. NASA has previously explained similar sightings as dust, camera artifacts, or distant particles catching the light at just the right angle. What keeps this case open to discussion is the timing and repetition. The object appears on different sols and in different positions, which raises questions about whether it is a recurring environmental effect or something else entirely. At the same time, there has been no official confirmation that the object represents anything unusual beyond known atmospheric or imaging phenomena. Until NASA releases further analysis or higher resolution data, the object remains unidentified in a technical sense. Whether it is dust, debris, or something not yet fully explained, the footage highlights how even routine Mars observations can still leave room for interpretation. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to watch new videos.